Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for April 7th, 2016. And for your Thursday, we're going to have rain that's going to move in from west to east. Might not be raining so early in the morning here in New Jersey, but we'll be moving in from about 6, 7 o'clock in the morning here for western counties and moving across from west to east. The heaviest portion today, where we expect the heaviest precipitation to fall, is going to be right over eastern PA, kind of like right over this area here in northwest New Jersey. So this will be the area we think will be the heaviest rain. Anywhere in this area could be anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to an inch and a quarter, inch and a half in some spots, especially further northeast. But elsewhere, you're talking about a general half to an inch. But either way, it's still going to be a pretty decent amount of rain across our coverage area, and that's in association with the cold front that is in association with this area low pressure up here that I'm circling right now. So this will continue to move to the northeast, move through the area. And again, the heaviest time for this is going to be in the morning. So this is not going to be an all-day event. It is going to allow for rain to end from west to east, probably around noon or 1, 2 o'clock in Pennsylvania. Across New Jersey, will linger to the mid-afternoon hours, I think, maybe even late afternoon for eastern New Jersey or northern New Jersey. But then you're going to have a round 2 come in. So this is the first of 2 waves. The more aggressive part of that is the first one. The second one is going to move through here in the evening hours, and that's going to push through for the after that pushes through, it's just start to dry out, and that's going to be in the evening hours, probably like mid to late evening on Thursday. It looks like the most potent part of those 2 waves is going to be the first wave, though, on Thursday morning into the early afternoon. This moves through, and then a cold front comes through. It's going to set up a colder Friday, so it's going to start off a little milder in the morning, and then the front comes through and will allow for temperatures to drop in the afternoon. And then we're watching this system here. This is a trailing piece of energy that is going to be rounding the deep trough sitting up in the eastern United States for this weekend. It actually get pretty cold this weekend relative to this time of year. Normal highs are closing in on 60 degrees in many locations, upper 50s and near 60, I should say. And we're talking about temperatures are going to be stuck in the 40 to 42 degree range. So that's definitely colder than it's supposed to be for this time of year. And this area of energy surrounding the base of that trough axis that's setting up like a big bowl across the northeastern United States is going to bring some snow showers and perhaps even a heavier squall to the area. And that's going to move through. It looks like it's going to be in the heavier squalls anyway. Could be confined further south. We'll have to see where exactly this sets up. Because right now it's the models are all over the place as far as where exactly it tracks. But there's a little piece of energy that will continue to dive down kind of like this here, and then it's going to redevelop once it gets out here off the coast. But it might be a little bit too late for our area. It might help New England a little bit. But where that tracks exactly is going to depend on who gets snow. Now, it's going to be a situation where it could be snow falling and melting when it hits the ground, but you could get a coating on non-paved surface, coating to up to an inch at worst case, it looks like, on non-paved surfaces if you get under those heavier squalls. So not a big deal, but for this time of year, we're already talking about at that point, it will be April 9th and 10th. So not impossible for that to happen at this time of year, but it is not what we normally expect to see at this time of year. High pressure is going to move in for Sunday. It's going to give us a mostly sunny day, as that's sitting right over top of us for most of Sunday, but it's going to be still on the colder side, still stuck in the 40s for highs. Then we're going to have a warm front that's going to move through. This is going to come through Sunday night, late Sunday night, and early Monday. Could touch off a few showers, maybe start off as a mix briefly across northeastern PA. Not really sold on that idea, but as this warm front moves through, it's definitely going to warm up here for Monday and Tuesday. And then the trailing energy, which is the cold front, is going to come through here on Tuesday with showers. This is going to be all rain at this point. Oops, I keep missing my. There we go. So this is going to be rain as the low pressure is going to track very close to or over the area that's going to form along that front. So we are going to get another round of rain. Doesn't look like it's an overly impressive amount of rain, but it will be mild for this. So we're not expecting any winter precipitation for this event. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. Then as your outlook for April 7th, 2016. Have a great Thursday.